Doon po ako sa KOJC nung lumusob itong si Torre. Excessive talaga to, Senator. Halos 3,000 yata yung tao. If you're an ordinary citizen, nakakatakot. No, and I got to talk to him face to face. And it was a long back and forth, but I saw yung futility kasi sa isip niya talaga, siya talaga yung tama. And I said, so where is your search warrant? I went like that. And he said, ano ka ba, Lorraine? Matanda na tayo. Alam natin hindi nagmamatter yung mga ganyan. That's exactly what he said. No, this is from a law enforcer. And so there's so many details that are horrifying about all of this. As the Marcos administration has been a horrifying freak show for a lot of us, for an entire country. The implications of all of this, Senator, are very, very grave. Kasi for instance, no, yung pagbabastos nila sa Senate hearing na yon, Senado na mismo ang kausap nila, ikaw na mismo ang kausap nila,